talking about calculating your profit, that's something not a lot of people know to do. So I'm going to take you through a little bit of how we actually calculate the profit for each of our projects. So I'm a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So I'm taking you here first, right? How to calculate profit for each project. No matter if this is a stock company, a crypto company, it does not matter. What you want to look at is the revenue, the cost, and the profit and loss. Does that make sense to everyone? The revenue is exactly what you're bringing into the company, all right? That's your predictability of what's actually coming in. Now, the cost is what you're spending. So what that means is whatever you're bringing in compared to what you're spending, there will be your profit and loss. All right, super easy to figure out. You get all different kind of charts. Okay, and what I want you to do is play around, go onto charts. All right, you can go onto time analytics software, play around with what you need to do and put all your actual data in, and you will see. And what I want you mostly to do is do your own research with every crypto project we throw on here, and this is what you should be looking at: what their costs are, what their revenue is, what their profit is. All right, so have a look at this. The links will be down below to show you how to calculate your portfolio profit. One of the biggest things that stand out to people is the profit and losses, right? So profits, okay, were used to purchase another project, which was not the case. Keeping stable coin allocation for the purpose of illustrations, right? Basically what I'm saying is the profits of a company is what they can actually allocate out to use for different parts of the project, whether that is to cover different tokenomics or things like that. All right, now when we go into the losses, so the profit is the amount gained by selling an article or price greater than the cost in price. Contrast, the loss is the amount by lose, all right, selling an article for less than its cost price. So if a coin is worth a certain amount and you sell it for less, you're actually losing. Just like if you buy an NFT, if you sell that NFT for less than you bought it for, you will be in a loss. All right, now the formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. The formula for loss is cost price minus sell price. Always going to be on the minus. Okay, you can see the different calculations here, and it goes in a bit more detail. Again, the links are going to be down below for this. It's buyjust.com. So guys, this is how stable coins are actually working out how well their company is doing through this bear market. You know, crypto's going down a lot right now, and we are trying to work out what we're getting for our cost dollar average. What I want to really drill into is lessons. Lessons is something you take. Now, we don't like to say we lost money. We don't like to say that trade we lost. It's lessons. Okay, I got taught a lesson there. I should have took profit. So it's a lesson that I've learned for next time. That's what I really want to drill into. Okay, the number one thing that we learn, a portfolio construction looks pretty solid, given risks are relatively low, but at any point, crypto can drop, stocks can drop, forex can drop, anything could drop. So take the lesson. Okay, if it happens once, it could happen again. So make sure you're taking profit at all times. That doesn't mean don't hold. I mean, just be smart and take profits. Okay, guys, if you love this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.